Hello there everyone, guys, what is going on? We had such great news on the XRP and then we actually had this dump to the downside and we are actually being supported right now by 29, so basically by 30k. Yet again, so we're back in this channel. So what am I doing? Am I closing my long trade? I'm gonna show you something absolutely incredible at the end of this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. Because me, Mr. Sporon, I put my money where my mouth is. So watch this. I'm gonna show you something that nobody is showing you on social media, okay? Okay, so stick around till the end and watch my video from the beginning and until the end. Before we come back to the chart, let's discuss as to what is happening so we understand as to what we can, how we can explain this downside move and whether it actually poses a threat and whether we can expect the price to break 30k and go lower to whatever. So let's discuss this. And first things first, Dixie, I wanted to point this out. Something that we haven't talked about for quite some time. And the dollar index is losing power. So the dollar is losing power. I mean, it's obvious. This is something that, and actually it's going to actually coincide really well with what I'm about to show you at the end of this video. But just in general, the dollar actually lost very important support at 100.8. And this is just historically a very important level. So we're actually going below. So we actually always got rejected from these levels. And whenever we broke below, it actually was the beginning of the downside for the dollar. So, and this is what we're seeing. We're seeing a huge momentum to the downside in the dollar, which is actually quite positive for us, for Bitcoiners. But this is not the only thing. What I wanted to show you before we come back to the chart and talk about the chart, quick reminder that my 3-year anniversary sale where you can get up to 40% discount on my university grade trading education, 5 months long trading learning programs is coming to the end, only a couple of seats left. So there's a link down in the description of this video, or you can go directly to offer.thomaskrallo.com and become one of my students and learn proper ways of trading, investing, scalp trading, day trading, swing trading, macro analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, level 2 analysis, and everything that made me the trader I am today. So, and now that the shield is out of the way, let's talk about this. Yeah, okay, not this, but actually, SEC, and this is important, piece of very important news so that we understand the context and what is happening in the world right now. SEC acknowledges Bitcoin ETF applications from Fidelity and many others. So what does the acknowledgement mean? It doesn't mean they're like rejecting it or approving it. It doesn't mean anything. But what it means is that the clock is officially on and it is officially starting to tick. And I think that the approval is coming. I think it's inevitable. So, and right now, the time is limited as to for how long we're going to still sit there with no spot Bitcoin ETF. So this is very good. Also, this was absolutely monumental. BlackRock CEO Larry Finn says that crypto will transcend any one currency. When a guy who manages $10 trillion comes out and says that Bitcoin and crypto is like, I mean, it's absolutely insane. I wanted to show you the video. It's quite long, so I decided not to do it. The boss of the world's biggest asset manager today continued to sing Bitcoin's praises. It's insane. You can find his on Twitter probably. You can find his everything he said when he said that it's what he basically said is that Bitcoin and crypto is superior money and that it actually is global and that it actually brings huge opportunities. Insane. Now, then if all of this is happening and it's all that beautiful, then why did we see the downside in Bitcoin? So, and what does it all mean for us? Basically, what it is believed right now that the Silk Road linked Bitcoin worth 300 million, which was like 10,000 Bitcoin or so, was moved by US government. And as soon as it was moved, Bitcoin actually fell to 30,400. So therefore, is it possible that it was simply dumped and we were supposed to break above just on the news of XRP and we really wanted to break 31,500? Because remember, again, if once we break it, this just puts us technically back into the bullish territory once we break this resistance. So is it possible that the US government just dumped on us and that's why we had this downside move? Yes. So I don't really see any other reason, maybe just a technical reason to the downside. So therefore, even if we're going to break 30k, we could revisit maybe 28, maybe 27, like who cares? And when I am saying that, number one, my long trade is still there, all of my orders are still there. And now I'm going to show you something that nobody shows you on YouTube and on social media. People just talk about, oh, this is a beautiful trade. Oh, you should buy Bitcoin. And what I'm doing in comparison to others, I'm actually doing it, guys. Remember, by the way, if you want to be trading on an exchange that you can trust and you can actually use properly with no stupid FUD about it, then use Bybit. See, I can actually have $500,000 right now over in Bybit. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. Right here is the list of the bonuses. Also, you get access to my free trading community, which is the Discord. There's also a link to it down in the description of this video. All deposited you to access my crypto signals and the trades of my trades and the trades of my team. You will need to join that VIP signal section, and for that you will need to use your Bybit UID, and once you deposit money into your account using my link down in the description of this video. So you get a lot of bonuses, and also in the reward center you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. So now I actually sent in a little over $500,000. So everything that I've just explained, that I don't believe we're going to be seeing Bitcoin at 20K again. Maybe we can correct to 25, 26, 27, just technically. But seeing this and seeing that the spot Bitcoin ETF is coming and the floodgates that will open to Bitcoin in the coming years, I'm not looking at the time horizon of 2 months. I'm looking at the time horizon of 2 years. So that's why I have $500,000 here, and let's do it together. Let's add on to my Bitcoin holding together. Spot trade, spot Bitcoin. And what I want to do is, as usual, so let's go to market order, who cares, and let's buy $400,000 with just the market order, $400,000 worth of Bitcoin. And bam, 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 look at it. There we go. So I have about 100,000 left, and now let's go to Ethereum, and the rest 100,000 putting it into Ethereum. All right, and the rest is going also market order value, all of it, and let's make sure it's all good. Buy ETH, bang, 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 bang. Okay, now let's go to spot. And let's have a look as to what we did. I just bought myself 52 Ethereum and 13 more Bitcoin. If it goes lower, so be it. I don't care. What I care about is that I'm not holding $500,000 today. I'm holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is actually the future, and the dollar is not. But guys, full disclosure, never keep more than half of your net worth in crypto. I have millions of dollars in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other altcoins. But if it all goes to zero suddenly, and whatever happens, that at least half of my net worth is in cars, is in something else, in watches, in whatever else, just not crypto. So I never have more than half of my net worth in crypto, which is of course still millions of dollars, but hey, if it isn't the time now, then I don't know what is. Okay guys, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. This is going into cold storage to the rest of my Bitcoin and Ethereum, and let's just hope we go to the upside. And as always, peace and love. Diamond Scrawler, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.